What's your favorite foreign food to eat on tour?
Foreign food.
Foreign food.
I like
Can't say pizza.
I like Indian. I like the
Tandoori?
Tandoori chicken, the chicken tiki.
Chicken tikka masala?
Yeah, tikka masala.
The UK is obsessed with Indian food. This map shows the density of Indian restaurants across the UK. And there is one dish that they are selling more than any other, and that's the chicken tikka masala. It's the UK's national dish. So I wanted to figure out why the UK was obsessed with chicken tikka masala, so I headed out on the streets of London to hear from the people themselves.
What would you say if I told you that chicken tikka masala is the UK's national dish?
I'm not surprised.
I'm not surprised. There's an Indian takeaway on every corner.
It's like everywhere you go, every street corner's got some little version of their tiki masala, their Indian food. It's all over this place.
It doesn't even taste like Korean.
What is your favorite Indian food?
No, chicken tikka masala.
Yeah, this is looking good now, guys.
This is the one that I made in the kitchen. I helped make.
You made?
Helped.
What did you do?
I helped.
What did you do to equate help? Did you carry it? Did you put some seasoning on it?
Good?
I think I'll stay away from it.
You know! But this is one of your popular dishes, right?
It's one of the very popular dishes. This chicken tikka masala, everybody, it's like a name brand, you know.
Chicken tikka masala.
Yeah. Like Nike.
Like Nike, that's correct.
Chicken masala, that's the taste.
You will see, Mike, this is the tandoori chicken. A lot of places, I'm pretty sure you have gone to other Indian restaurants. You will see the chicken is almost red. I don't allow any of my chefs to put any artificial color. There's a color called...
It is red.
It's red.
Right.
This is not.
That's why I didn't know it was, because normally it's really red.
It is supposed to be this way. These are the original spices. No, I will never allow any of my chefs to put any fake color on.
No cut, no cut. Give it all natural, no cut.
I found that I really enjoyed it.
Chicken tikka masala is one of the most popular dishes in Britain today. Many even consider it their new national dish, preferring it to the famous fish and chips. Chicken tikka masala is a popular dish with Indian roots. But ordering the dish in a restaurant in India would be met with bafflement. The meal was invented in Britain. After World War II, Indians and Bangladeshis opened restaurants in Britain, serving up specialties from their home countries.
I think what makes chicken tikka masala so British is that it's an adaptation of a food culture that has been brought to us by immigrants. What we've always done in Britain is we've adapted things that have arrived in our country from other cultures and we've made them into our own. So this dish was created in an Indian restaurant by Indian chefs who took British citizenship and became British citizens, and they adapted their own food culture for the tastes of the native British people.
My friend's ordering Indian food.
What'd you get?
I got chicken tikka masala.
What'd you get?
Chicken tikka masala.
What'd you get?
Same thing.
What'd you get?
Chicken tikka masala.
What'd you get?
Chicken tikka masala.
Indian food is the most common delivery food in the UK, with chicken tikka masala taking the spot of the UK's national dish. How do you improve on something already so loved? Today, we find out.
Okay, where do we start?
Have me a bit of plain naan. I'm gonna get dipping in some of the curries. Here we have a bit of the chicken butter masala.
Oh boy.
Look at that. Oh gosh.
Oh my gosh. Wow. That's crazy good. The thing is, I've had chicken tikka masala probably hundreds of times.
Maybe thousands.
Maybe thousands,
Yeah.
right? But you know how they say in heaven, everyone will be the true, like who they were meant to be.
The perfect version of themselves.
Yeah.
That's the perfect